Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from POCO X6. So in the first step, let's open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from our gallery. After that, just click on the import. And now you can add as a shape to your document or the picture. If you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Then you can choose the filter for photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on the accept icon. Type the number in this place and choose the country from the list. To send the message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.